What have we got to move on to? Gonna talk big and exciting.
Let's pull it out. And let's look at that box as well.
Oh,
What do you got there? You're off camera.
You don't have to tempt me.
No one can see what you're doing. What is that?
You don't have to tempt me to whip it out.
What is that? Oh, what is that? Oh, this is a bit tricky. We've got to make sure that we don't get all the reflections.
This is bespoke.
There we go.
What is it? We're going to spoil the magic of Hollywood. They're going to see that we use beautification lights.
Beautification.
And they're turned up to maximum.
That's why it looks so beautiful, right?
That's right. We are looking at a Pocher.
Now, this has been long anticipated. Like
how many? It's half scale, isn't it? So
half scale.
Is it half scale?
1/8.
Oh, 1/8.
Half scale.
So it's half and 1/4.
Yeah.
That's 1/8 scale. I knew it wasn't a half scale.
It's a Lotus 72D of Emerson Fittipaldi.
How cool is that?
So this is a die cast and plastic kit.
And didn't our friend from the Model Expo last year?
Yeah.
He did the Ducati.
Yes.
That was JPS Black and Gold, wasn't it?
It was.
He would love this.
He would. Because what was it? It was the anniversary, wasn't it? Of JPS first starting.
Yeah.
I don't know what anniversary was.
He would love this.
Iconic. Black.
We need to get in touch.
Yeah.
We need to get in touch and hook him up. He'll put this in Model Expo for sure.
How good does it look?
He'll even get it finished by then.
Now, we were going to see if we could maybe have a look at it, eh?
It's a big box.
It's pretty fresh, isn't it?
It's a beautiful box.
Well, this just came in.
Well, it did literally come in like 3 minutes ago, didn't it? Have a look at that.
Beautiful. All right, let's try to crack it open.
I might hit the big rat.
You might.
I reckon they're going to keep us out of it.
Yeah, it's sealed, isn't it?
It's going to be a box in a box.
It's sealed.
Box in a box.
Look at that. It's got a seal on it, so we're not going to open the seal, sorry.
We're not going to open the factory guarantee.
No. But
No. Hey, the instruction.
Manual.
We can open the manual.
Yeah, let's have a look at the manual, eh?
Okay. Oh.
Cracked it.
And the lid of the box has got pictures on it.
Yes.
I'll get this out the way because it's a bit disturbing.
All right,
Be
let's have a look.
careful here.
Got a manual here. That's pretty thick.
Well, I'd hope so. Have you built yourself a Pocher before?
I haven't. I've looked at a couple of the earlier Pocher kits. This is
Now-
of the more modern type, which is die-cast metal.
Now might be a good time for you to start.
What do you mean? But I've already started on it.
Yeah, but since you've got all your Model Expo ones done for this year.
I haven't finished them all. What are you talking about?
No, but next week you will. Got more time on your hands on Sunday.
No, that's true. That's true. What have we got here? How thick is this?
Not as thick as some,
Hang on. I've missed a page.
of course. Knowing you probably wouldn't even follow the instructions.
What have we got here?
Assembly icons.
Okay, so this is how you follow.
WD1. I know WD-40. I don't know WD1.
Well, they're the predecessors. All right, so you got a drawing of the kit there, and then we go into the assembly.
Ooh.
Look at all this. What are we doing here? This part of the engine.
Putting on engines, starter motors. This wouldn't have had a starter motor, surely.
Exhaust.
Exhaust, big exhaust,
Yep.
cylinder banks.
Oh, look at that. There's the V section, eh? There's the top bit of that intake.
Got injectors on there. Have a look at that.
Flywheel. You got the inboard discs, ventilated.
Inboard ventilated discs. Two-piece.
Pretty compact, isn't it? Gearbox. It's all screwed together. You got the exhaust supports. What's that thing at? Is it gear shift?
A bit of shift rod.
And then we got suspension going on. And then we got some wiring bits. And
Brake
some more
lines.
suspension. What's this bit?
It's the start of the K-frame, is it? The rear suspension assembly.
Ah, yep.
How
It's pretty in there, isn't it?
That is really cool. Have
And
a
this
look
is-
at that. You even get to plumb up the mechanical fuel pump. How cool is that?
And it's still engine. That's
Yeah.
back in the days when a lot of suspension was hanging off the engine, wasn't it?
Got 20 pages of engine.
When does it finish? We've still got the engine here. Bits hanging off it. You got the intake trumpets. Oh, we're going into bodywork now.
I think you're going to enjoy this. I really think.
All right, starting to get the monocoque areas, are we? That's a front end suspension. Yep. do you call that? Suspension box? Is it? What do you call this frame?
Suspension sub-assembly, I don't know.
Yep.
Subframe,
Pedals going in,
pedal box.
cockpit, seats.
Wow. That is so cool.
Just over halfway here. What's the idea?
Putting on some more of the rear assembly. Oh, you're mating the front and rear halves of the
Oh, it looks
chassis.
like a car now. Got the front, the nose frame, wing going on, rear wing.
Wing-a-ding-ding.
That's it.
Windscreen.
Top of the cowling.
That is so cool. Then you go to decals.
It's a bit special, isn't it? There you go.
Pocher.
Pocher.
That is epic.
Do you remember we got the Panigale last time?
Yes.
Didn't last long, did it?
Not at all. So we have got a couple of these, but these are going to be so special.
Mm.
I should get straight on the blower to Tony P.
He needs money in his life, doesn't he?
No, I don't think he does. Well, that is amazing. No, but that is just classic, isn't it?
Mm.
I mean, it's probably
Very
just
nice.
old people, but if you ask a kid to draw an F1 car, that's sort of what it's going to look like, isn't it?
Yeah. I like the high intake too. Big box here. Nice.
Very cool.
Big model.
Big?
Big. 1/8 scale.
How much would it weigh?
I think it's 7 kilos.
What, when it's finished?
Yeah.
Big
Special?
enough. Big
Like
enough to
that.
sit in.
You need one of them.
Emerson Fittipaldi.
That's him.
Is it?
Emerson. He would have won in this, wouldn't he?
I don't know, a bit before my time.
Really?
A bit before my time,
Is
yeah.
it? Oh.
I'm not quite that old. I look it.